We have you covered if you want to know how to clean a messy basement. This video shares some tips to help you clean all the mess from your basement. Like most renters and homeowners, you may have a basement that you may have used as a dumping site rather than a usable space. In other words, you may have used this room to dump old Christmas decorations, broken sporting gear, seasonal clothes, and unwanted luggage. This is not how you are supposed to treat your basement. Like other home rooms, you may also want to clean your messy basement. Although cleaning the basement requires plenty of time and effort, you can easily do it with the right measures and patience. The purpose of these tips is to help you remove unwanted items and free up plenty of room. 1. Sort through the junk. First of all, you may want to sort through the junk in your basement. This approach is essential if your basement has been serving as a storage unit. The idea is to check each item and decide if you may need it down the road. For example, you may have some things in your basement that are too old to be used in the future. If you have never used an item for more than 12 months, and it's in good working order, you may take it to a nearby donation center. So, you may want to take your time and check each storage bin or box for items you can discard. Afterwards, you can separate items you can keep, give, or donate. Make sure to be ruthless when sorting this stuff. If you want to declutter your basement, you may want to eliminate every unwanted item. 2. Get organized. After deciding what you can keep, organize all the items in a sensible order. For instance, you can keep your family keepsakes in a separate box and store decorations in a storage tub. Similarly, you can keep your old documents in a separate file folder. Don't forget to label each box and bin so you can easily retrieve your desired item down the road. Labeling won't take more than a few minutes. So, there is no excuse to skip this step. 3. Grab your duster. Grab your duster and dust every nook and cranny of your messy basement. Like most basements, you may have many cobwebs to remove. Ideally, you may want to get a long-handled duster to remove the webs from the ceiling and basement corners. 4. Vacuum. The good thing is that this powerful device can suck out dust particles from hard-to-reach areas of your basement. If your basement is a concrete floor, vacuum it to suck out the dust and debris. On the other hand, if you have a carpeted basement, dust the floor before you vacuum to remove allergens and debris. 5. Mop the floor. For concert floors, mopping is a better approach. All you need to do is prepare a mixture of a bucket of lukewarm water and 1/4 cup of detergent. Dip a nylon brush in the bucket and scrub the floors. It's better to use fresh water to rinse and then vacuum up the residue after you are done. 6. Eliminate the musty smell. First, open up your basement windows and let in the fresh air. Alternatively, you can turn on the fans to allow proper air circulation. If possible, you can also switch on your dehumidifier to bring down the moisture level. Finally, you can apply a finishing touch to eliminate the lingering musty smell. Long story short, you can follow these simple tips to clean your messy basement in a few hours. Want more tips? Check out our previous video on benefits of green cleaning. Also, let us know your views and comments in the comment section below. Why don't you consider the help of cleaning professionals, the ones that work at FastKlean? Our company can help you deal with all aspects of cleaning. Simply call 0208 8849 149 or visit fastklean.co.uk. Sign up for our masterclasses and learn how to create a toxin-free environment at home or any business premises. Watch our other videos and learn more eco-friendly cleaning tips. Let us know what you think about this video. Don't hesitate to drop a comment below and subscribe to our channel. Feel free to share our videos with other people, including your friends and family, so they'll get to know the best ways to improve their way of living. Thank you for watching.